irregular verbs. Okay. Now, the first verb is verb leave and the second verb is verb dir. Okay. Both are ending with re. But as I have told you that re verbs are usually irregular verbs, so now I am going to tell you the difference between the radicals, how it will change, because these are irregular verbs. Now the first verb is leave, that means to read. Okay. Now because lead is starting with a consonant, so we are going to write here je, not j apostrophe. Okay. Je, tu, il, nous, vous, il and elle. Now, normally, what will be the radical for verb lead? That will be li. You are going to remove re and you are going to write li as the radical. So, after writing li after each subject, now, je, tu, il, after li, after the radical, you are directly going to put the termination. But in nous, vous and il and elle, that means in the plural subject, you are going to add one extra consonant before adding the terminations. So here in verb leave, you are going to put s, okay, after li. Lis, lis, lis. Now you are going to put third group of terminations. Okay. So now terminations I have told you s, t or no termination. Usually when the radical is ending with a consonant, we usually don't put t termination. But here it is ending with I vowel. That's why we are writing here T termination. We are putting here T termination. So S, T, then ONS, EZ, ENT. Okay. So now what about the pronunciation? Je lis means I am reading. Tu lis, you are reading. Il lit, he is reading. Elle lit, she is reading. Nous lisons, we are reading. Vous lisez, you are reading. But what is the difference? Tu lis is for singular and vous lisez is for plural. Il lise, elle lise. That means they are reading, but il lise for masculine and elle lise for feminine. That means they are reading. So once again I am going to tell you the pronunciation. Je lis, tu lis, il lit, elle lit, nous lisons, vous lisez, il lise, elle lise. Now let's have a look at the second verb, that is verb dir, that means to say. Again we are going to write subject, and because dir is starting with D consonant, so we are going to use je as a subject. So again je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. Now again, like verb lead, we have taken the radical as li. So here again we are going to remove re and we are going to take the radical as di. Okay, so di I have written after each subject. After this, because in nous, vous and ill, I have taken one extra consonant for the pronunciation, that is S. But here in verb dir, the things are very different. Okay, in nu and ill, we are going to put the extra consonant S. But in vu, we are going to write T. And the termination will not be EZ, it will be ES. In terms of pronunciation, we don't pronounce it as these, we simply pronounce it as deep. Okay, the pronunciation I'll tell you after explaining the whole verb conjugation. So, in nu and ill, I have written S as an extra consonant. Okay. Now, after this, we are going to put the third group of terminations. So, again, S, S, T. Why T? Because the radical is ending with I vowel. S, S, T, ONS, ES, ENT. I know this is really confusing to remember, but we need to remember. As we always say, we need to learn by heart. Many things in French. So the pronunciation: je, di, tu, di, il, di, elle, dit, nous disons, vous dites, ils disent, elles disent. Okay? So, je dis means I say or I am saying. Tu dis, you are saying. Il dit, elle dit. He is saying, she is saying. Nous disons, we are saying. Vous dites, you are saying. So that is for plural. Il, these, elle, these. They are saying. Okay? So, this is the difference between these two RE verbs, lead and dir. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.